Hi, everybody. Because this class takes place over the span of a 5-week period, and we will be moving at warp-like speeds, I have decided to take what I typically teach in a 15-week course and pare down everything. Like I'm trimming the fat off of the course and basically um, breaking it down into the essential part of a composition class, which is the research paper. All semester long, each week, you will be responsible for completing some component of this essay or some component of this process. I've broken it down into 6 assignments that you'll be completing through um, the course. All of it can be reused and rewashed and put into your final essay. So, for example, the first big part you'll be responsible for is a topic proposal. And you'll also be responsible for an annotated bibliography, a multiple perspectives essay, a counterclaim paragraph, a draft of your paper, and then finally the final version of your paper that will be due. So I want to take a minute to explain what I'm asking you to do through this process. So basically, a research-based position paper requires that students use critical thinking in a practical way about real-world problems or issues. One purpose of the position paper is to raise awareness of current issues and generate support for either change or maintaining a current law or policy. The paper is based on facts that provide a solid foundation for your argument. So basically, I'm asking you guys, your task, your goal, is to take a position on a controversial issue and craft an argument around your position or argue that the issue exists. In order to argue effectively, students will need to complete the following. You'll have to use evidence to support your claim, validate your position with authoritative references or primary source quotations, examine the strengths and weaknesses of your position, summarize arguments from the opposition, and concede those points and offer rebuttals and counterclaims, and also evaluate possible solution or suggest a course of action. So essentially, you guys can choose from a number of issues. I'm going to give you guys a website for you guys to look through a plethora of issues and controversies that anyone could think of. And you can look at something, that's serious. I've had people write papers on why colonizing Mars is a good idea. So you can look at something as lighthearted or as serious as you want. The choice is yours. However, I will give you a list of topics that you are not allowed to write on. So essentially, throughout the course of this semester, you're going to take your topic and you're going to complete a number of these assignments, which I'll be explaining throughout the course in order to complete your final paper. So with that said, the first assignment that you guys will be responsible for is a topic proposal, which you guys will see posted shortly in the week 2 module. So take a look at, take a think on what you think you'd like to write your paper on, look at the choices that you aren't allowed to write on, and let me know if you have any questions.